Hey YouTube, what's going on? Here's Priyanka again. Okay, thank you for joining in. Now these are my first Vibram Fivefingers first experience into minimalistic shoes. I bought them last December and I love them. Can't emphasize on that more. I've been running with the conventional running shoes, Asics something, for once a month or twice a month for a small run, that would be perfectly all right. But I increased my training with the Asics shoes, then I immediately started the knee pain, which I struggled to continue practices, right? So then I thought of give this a try, and I immediately realized that my knee pain was gone. But of course, the transition from conventional shoes to these, you need to give your feet a lot of time. So that means you will suffer from calf pain, feet pain, and but it's a healthy pain. It's not like that you're injured or something, right? So that you have to factor in if you are going in this route. But another positive thing I have immediately noticed is I have tendency to have flat feet, and with this, if you run with this, then it will train all the small muscles in the feet. So it will eventually, and I have realized in 4 months, feet get into shape, right? If you have flat feet. So now this video is not about the shoes and what are the benefits of these shoes, but now for 4 months, 240 kilometers, this has worn a lot. So that means above average wear and tear. And look at the sole. I mean, this is very thin now on both feet. I don't know if it's a production defect or my feet are like that. So it's normally, in other videos I have seen that some guys, they are showing wear and tear here. So this shoe this is Vibram Evo. I don't know if it's not meant for heavy duty running, but you have to factor the above average wear and tear with these shoes. So because of that, as I cannot buy a new pair of shoes every 4 months, I thought of looking around what are the other minimalistic shoes available and at the moment. So I found this one, that's Merrell Vapor Glove 4, and a lot of minimalistic runners praise this shoe. Apparently it's a very good shoe. I cannot share my running experience on this because I haven't used this for running. Now Vibram Fivefingers, my shoe size is size 42, fits me perfect, and because of that I went and bought the Merrell Vapor Glove, also size 42, but I was mistaken because the shape of the shoe somehow does not have enough room for my first and second toe. It's touching. I cannot share my running experience with this yet because I want to send them back, but I can imagine that if I run with these, it will be not very comfortable as with these shoes because the size is too small in size 42. So they don't have 42 and a half, they have in European size 42 and 43. I don't know why the half sizes are not available. So yeah, I'm afraid that so that's that. So then I thought, okay, I'll stick to my beloved Vibram. So at this time I ordered Vibram Run and Vibram Trial, right? Because the Trial has a little bit trial version 2. we call it Vibram Trial 2.0, has a little bit of thicker profile on the sole, like somewhat similar to this, but I think a little bit thicker. And that's very good for if you are running in woods, on a gravel, where you have small stones, because these are very, very thin. I mean, you feel everything under your feet. So that's the reason why. And I ordered trial for do in trial running, and we run for the tarmac, normal payments. So that's it. So make sure that if you want to buy Merrell, make sure that go to a shop and try it, or order a one number larger than the size that you used to with Vibram Fivefingers. So that's about it. If you have any question, as always, just write on the comments, and yeah, keep running and be healthy. Bye.